Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can add day, date, and time as a header or footer in Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into the process. We need first to open Microsoft Word, or if you already have your document, simply open on that as to where you have saved it. Now, first is we need to double click right here at the top to open the header and the footer. Now, once you have opened the header and the footer, so it's up to you as to where you are going to add the date and time. It could be on the header or the footer. Now, here you will find the option date and time. Click on that. And you have here the available format, so it's up to you. So I'm just going to go with this third format and simply click on OK. And now that it has been added, let's just click on it. Go back to home. Put this at the center. Increase the font size and make this bold. And that's it. So whenever you want to insert a new blank page, this will already have that date and time, or just the date as the header. So that's it. That's the date header on your Microsoft Word. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.